In previous session, we executed Spring Demo application. Now we will explore what are all the disadvantages here. The first thing is we need to configure more dependencies here. Spring context, Spring Beans, and Spring Core. And then we need to configure right application context for creating beans. If we didn't use annotations, we need to create beans normally by using bean tags like this. We used the annotations, that's why we used component scan here. Here if we see the basic normally high priority we are using rather than a business logic. For configuring we are using high priority and we are spending more time for configuring our classes to beans and managing all those things. For these replicating Spring Boot came into picture. What are all the Spring Boot features we will discuss into the next class.